Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Venmo for US transfers safely step by step clearly. To authenticate with Venmo for US transfers safely, start by downloading the Venmo app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app. If you already have an account, tap on the login option. Enter your registered email address or phone number. Next, input your password. If you're a new user, select Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name and mobile number. You'll receive a verification code via text message. Input the code in the app to verify your phone number. Next, link your bank account or debit card for transactions. To do this, navigate to the Settings or Payment Methods section. Select Add Bank Account or Add Card. Enter the required information, including the account number and routing number for bank accounts. For debit cards, simply enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Venmo may ask to verify your bank account with small test deposits. Check your bank account for these deposits, and enter the amounts in the app to confirm. After verifying your account, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Go to the security settings and turn on two-factor authentication. This will require an additional verification code each time you log in from a new device. Always log out of your account when finished, especially on shared devices. Be cautious about phishing attempts. Never share your password or personal information. Regularly update your password, using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. By following these steps, you can safely authenticate with Venmo for US transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.